Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Gajera English Medium School, Amreli. Today we are going to learn famous king. This chapter is of subject is GK and standard 5th. Okay, let's we know what is it. Lesson number 3, famous king. Here 1 to 9 question, one word question is given. We have to give an answer in one word. So let's we see one by one. Name the king who. First one, found a religion. Who found a religion? Answer is Akbar. Akbar found a religion. Then who is Akbar? First of all know who is Akbar. So Akbar the Great was born on 14 October 1542 at the Rajput fortress of Umarkot in Sindh. He was the son of Humayun and his wife Hamida Banu Begum. Akbar was born at a time when his parents were in exile. Akbar spent his entire childhood learning how to fight and how to hunt. He had no interest in learning how to read and write, but he had interest in learn how to fight. However, Akbar was the only Mughal emperor who was illiterate and still had loads of knowledge. Akbar was made king at the age of 13. At the age of 13, Akbar was made king after the death of his father. Akbar was with Bairam Khan at the time of his father's passing and Bairam was made regent. The Akbar was too young. On one occasion, Bairam led champions on Akbar's behalf to expand the kingdom. So, we know who found the religion, Akbar. Then next one is shifted the Indian capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Who shifted the Indian capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? The answer is Muhammad bin Jogli. Third one, who was the first emperor of India? First emperor of India. Who was the first emperor of India? The Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya is the emperor of India. Then, first of all, we know about some information about Chandragupta Maurya. He was the founder of Maurya Empire in ancient India. He was born in the humble family who speak up, talk and consulted by Chanakya, who is known as Kautilya, a Hindu Brahmin who wrote the Arthashastra. And together Chandragupta and Chanakya built one of the largest empires on the India. According to Jain source, he renounced his empire and became a Jain monk. Chandragupta's life and accomplishments are described in ancient Greek, Hindu, Buddhist and Jain texts, but they vary significant. Fourth one, made the Red Fort at Delhi. Who made the Red Fort at Delhi? The answer is Shah Jahan. Answer is Shah Jahan. I think everyone heard the name Shahjahan. Who is the Shahjahan? Shahjahan is the best remembered for his contribution to the world of architecture. The Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, which he built for his wife Mumtaz. This mahal is located in Agra. Even though he was 5th child of Jahangir, Shahjahan made up his presence felt with his superior fighting skill and training. His father often sent him on military campaigns even as a young child. Shahjahan won a number of battles for his father and was conferred the title of Shahjahan or King of the World. While walking through the bazaar, Shahjahan, who was only 15, then spotted a beautiful young girl who went by the name Arjuna Banu. Shahjahan was captivated by her beauty and begged his father to allow him to marry her, and Jahangir refused to marry him off to a Parisian princess. So Shahjahan never gave up on his first love. He courted Arjuna Banu for 5 long years until his father gave in. The two finally got married and had 14 children together on the beginning. So we all know the Shahjahan built Taj Mahal, but here the another one, he made up the Red Fort at Delhi. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shahjahan. Then number 5th, who is known as the Chhatrapati? Who is known as Chhatrapati? We all know. Answer is Shivaji. Who is Shivaji? Shivaji Raja Bhosle was born on 19 February 1630 at the hill fort of Shivneri near Junar in the Pune district. He belonged to Bhosle clan who founded the Maratha Empire. Shivaji's father Shahji served alongside Malik Ambar, who defined the Deccan region, the first to be done by Maratha against the Mughals. He always tried to free their kingdom from the Sultanate, as well as wanted to throw out the Mughal rule in India and establish a Swaraj empire. We all know the mother of Shivaji is Jijabai. Shivaji was extremely devoted to his mother, who was also very deeply religious. This religious environment had a great influence on Shivaji and carefully studied the two great Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. The morality and spiritual message of this epic left a great impression on him. So we all know who is Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Number 6 is who refused to bow his head before Akbar the Great. Who refused to bow his head before Akbar the Great? Then answer is Rana Pratap. Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap is the Pratap Singh, mostly popularly known as Maharana Pratap, was the 13th king of Mewar, a region in northwestern India in the present day in the state of Rajasthan. Then number 7th, who is known as the wisest fool? Who is known as wisest fool? The answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. We know in second answer, who shifted Indian capital from Delhi to Dowlatabad, and who is known as the wisest fool. The answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Number 8. Who is known as for his kindness? Who is known as for his kindness? Answer is Humayun. Humayun is known as for his kindness. Who is Humayun? Humayun is the Mughal Empire. He was the second emperor of the Mughal Empire who ruled over territory in what is now Afghanistan, Pakistan, northern India and Bangladesh from 1530 to 1540 and again from 1555 to 1556. Like his father Babur, he lost his kingdom early but regained it with the aid of Persia, with additional territories at the time of the death in 1556. The Mughal Empire spanned almost 1 million square kilometers. Next one, who is known as for his building? Who is known for his building? Shah Jahan. I'm already saying that Shah Jahan is the famous building of Shah Jahan is Taj Mahal. It was built by Shah Jahan for his wife, for his Begum. So here that lesson number 3, famous king, is over. I hope you all understand it very well, and thank you. Have a nice day.